This guy in the blue shirt here gave me all kind of information about this trail. Have a good one.
You too. Keep an eye out for the eagles.
Oh, yes. Thank you. I guess there's bald eagles around here. That's cool. Super, super nice. This is another thing, man. You just get out of your truck, you meet people. You know, everybody's having a good time. Morning. Everybody's having a good time, enjoying their holiday. There's another one. There's another one. Are you trying? Look, right there. There's another one. Are you trying to get a picture? Oh, did you find that?
My mom did.
Oh, nice.
It's a little bit small.
Yeah.
There's three deer just passed. Another one.
Oh, did we just miss a third one?
Yeah.
Ah. Well, I'll try not to scare him too much. How's that? Keep him. Are you taking him home?
Yeah.
Cool. Make sure you scrub him with a toothbrush, okay? Because he'll get algae on him and stuff. You guys have a good day. Mom, have fun. There's 3 deer. 3 deer. See that little turtle he had? His mom was down there. She was down there in the creek fishing out turtles. That was so cool. down here at the bottom of the dam. Dam is right there. So it's Blue Marsh Lake is the name of the lake, and I guess it's up there. But you're not allowed to go on the dam from what I understand. We have all these people here. Dad with his kids fishing. We got some kayakers going out. My bike hanging out right there. We're just gonna have a peach and just enjoy everything. We're just enjoying things today. It's a great 4th of July. It really is. The weather is perfect here. Anyway, I think the trail is over there. So you can kind of see some bikers. So I think what I have to do is go this way across there, and you can see the bikers coming down right there. Coming down. I think if we go up that, we can get on top of the dam. Right. So we're going to go up that. But they have some really nice trails in here. That single track was awesome. Awesome. Single track to me is like standing on top of a load. You shouldn't do it, but it is fun. Don't tell Melton. There's some. There they go. Some boats back there. It's a good day. It's a good day. Just missed filming a bald eagle. I can't believe it. He literally flew. I was standing up there and he literally flew probably, I don't know, 10 feet above this bridge. He just flew right down that way, and I was standing up there and he flew right across everybody. I was just like, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe. And I didn't have the camera on or anything ready. I was just sitting there kind of drinking water, staring down, and he just flew right over. But I will say this, in trucking I see a lot of them. Iowa has a lot of bald eagles. And Iowa City, as a matter of fact, over there, you can see a lot of bald eagles. But it's probably the one state I see the most bald eagles in, really. Which is kind of surprising. You probably think Montana or Nebraska or something like that, but That's the one. That's the state I see the most in. Really, every time I'm there, I always see a bald eagle. I can't believe it. Bald eagles. 4th of July, and he went. I mean, literally, he flew. He flew so close to this bridge. It was unbelievable. Just beautiful. 9, missed it.